this 2019 Hyundai Veloster that's got a door ding about the size of a $50 that I'll be repairing with the Paintless Dent Repair process. Now what I'll be repairing it with is a tool from Blim, and it's adjustable handle. I will have access going through the fender, sliding right here, to give me direct access. If you had damages that were similar to this, you're probably looking at about 30 or 45 minutes of repair time. So not only can this process repair door dings, it also can repair hail damage, and in some cases extreme damage. So give us a call today at 325-703-6149 and see if your car is a candidate for Paintless Dent.
Another flawless repair like it was never there.